You've probably heard of Raiz, right? That app that rounds up your spare change and invests it. But is it really safe to trust your hard-earned money with it? Let's dive in. Understanding Raiz. Raiz is a popular micro-investing app that's taken the investment world by storm. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even if you're a complete newbie. The idea is simple. You link your bank account to the app, and it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. How does Raiz work? So, how does Raiz actually work its magic? When you sign up, you'll be asked to choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. Once you've selected a portfolio, Raiz will automatically invest your spare change into a diversified mix of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Is Raiz safe? Now, the big question, is it safe to invest in Raiz? The short answer is, yes, it's generally safe. Here's why. Regulatory compliance. Raiz is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, one of the world's most stringent financial regulators. This means they're subject to strict rules and regulations, ensuring your money is protected. Diversification. Raiz invests your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs. This means your risk is spread out, reducing the impact of any single investment's performance. Professional management. Raiz is managed by experienced investment professionals who carefully select and monitor the ETFs in your portfolio. Security measures. Raiz employs robust security measures to protect your account information. This includes encryption technology and strong password requirements. Potential risks. While Raiz is generally safe, it's important to be aware of the potential risks. Market volatility. Like any investment, the value of your Raiz portfolio can fluctuate due to market volatility. Fees. Raiz charges fees for managing your investments. While these fees are relatively low, they can impact your overall returns. Currency fluctuations. If you're investing in international ETFs, currency fluctuations can affect the value of your investments. Is Raiz right for you? Raiz is a great option for those who want to start investing with small amounts of money. It's a convenient and low-cost way to build wealth over the long term. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. Raiz is a relatively safe and effective way to start investing. By understanding how it works, the potential risks, and your own financial goals, you can make an informed decision about whether Raiz is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.